Hey guys, I got a great one for you this week. But before I get started, head on over to Linode. Check those guys out at Linode. They're great guys over there. Alright guys, well this week I was going to put out a video just in response to TechLead shitting all over React Native, but I figure, well, why bother? The Oscars happened this past weekend. I figured I'd just call up a couple of the YouTubers, see what they thought about the Oscars or what they've been watching. Just kind of get their opinion on the state of the movies, state of film in general. Hey there, Traversy. It's me, Hawks. Yeah, I watched the Oscars. What a joke. Who watches that shit? That's all I want to know. I ditched the whole thing. The Hollywood industry, I would ditch all of them. Every single one of them. Fuck burning books. I'm burning movies. Burning it all down. But hey, before I give you any of my opinions there, let me just tell you that TechLead, you know, that guy he rubs me the wrong way. Just rubs me the wrong way. Shitting on React Native like that. If anyone's gonna ditch it, it's gonna be me. Anyway, I think the Oscar should have gone over there to that Bad Tooth Productions there with their riveting short film, Whip Stitch. It's masterful. Yeah, just check this out. Yeah, now you tell me there, Travis. If that don't give you a boner, nothing will, my friend. Nothing will. Whoa, Hawks. Hang on here. Hawks, this is why I don't like when you just come on here. Kids watch this stuff. What are you doing? What are you doing? Here we go with the wine and shit again. Alright, listen, give it a minute. Watch a little more of this.
What game are we going to play here?
Tonight we're going to do something a little different. Tonight we're going to invite a spirit to the room, but it's actually up to us on what spirit appears. So one person gets a mirror, we ask a spirit to appear. I will light a match. If it lights on the first try, a peaceful spirit will appear behind you. If we light it again on the second try, a jokester appears. And no matter what, we don't want it to light on the third try. That's the Whip Stitch, and he'll kill us all. JD, you up?
Jesus Christ. You hear that there, Travis? The Whip Stitch. Kill everybody. It ditched the world, I think. Yeah, I don't know here, Travis. Time and time again, you prove I can't trust you. I mean, am I going to get demonetized over this? Is this going to get disgusting or anything? Ah, jeez, you say potato, I say potato. You say disgusting, I say delicious. Just watch.
This is bullshit. Okay, your turn. Alright, jokester spirit, show me what you got.
2 down.
I don't want to do it.
Yeah, it kind of sounds like you there, Travis. I don't want to do this.
Just do it, Gavin. It's not a big deal.
Come on,
just ask
Gav.
him.
Don't be a baby.
Oh. He's going to gouge your eyes out and stitch your mouth shut, Gavin.
I didn't even ask the question.
It's too bad. Third match was lit. He's coming.
Match is spoken. Spirit will be hearing you next.
I didn't even say anything.
You were holding it. I thought it was funny.
He's 14.
Yeah.
See what you guys did? You feel good? You feel good about what you're doing?
It's just a joke, dude.
Can you hit the light on your way out?
Now that is exactly why I didn't want you coming on here. I think I'm just going to have to ban you for good. Hey, it's me, John Smilga, coding addict. This is absolutely fantastic. Right up my alley. I love it. He wears a bag on his head. I wear a bag on my head. I love where this is going. I want a prequel, a sequel. I want it all. Okay, well, I guess you're banned too. I'll just have to ban everybody. Yeah, hey, Trav, I think I liked you better when you were using, you know? You're a little stuffy right now. Hang on. Just watch the end of this. It just gets better.
Dude, just leave.